Namaste, I'm Vaidya Dr. Leena Thakkar. I'm an Ayurveda physician and healer based in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Today I'm talking about this wonderful remedy which is called as Nasya oil. Nasya oil is a daily helpful tip in prevention and well-being, which is specifically oil used for nasal passage. This oil contains a wonderful Brahmi herb cooked in sesame oil along with some uh, basically olive oil so that it will lubricate the nasal passage correctly. And we also put together a wonderful healing essential oil that is called eucalyptus, and this oil is extremely simple beneficial remedy that one can put this practice in daily lifestyle management, that with 1 or 2 drops in the morning and evening, even once in the morning, is very helpful. Ideally you can also put these 2 drops on the small little finger and do little internal nasal massage. That is how it is actually recommended to be used. And this Brahmi is excellently nervine tonic, which also help calm down the nervous system. So this oil help calm the mind with everyday stresses and life's go lifestyle. We are always kind of anxious and stressful, so this oil highly helps to calm down the mind. Secondly, Brahmi is the tonic that actually makes you relax, and it also reduces the stress hormones. Brahmi also help actually improve the memory, and it also gets you clarity, so you are taking the right decisions, your indecisiveness is reduced, and that is why it is beneficial to improve memory and develop clarity. Third important benefit about this is very helpful for sinus conditions and also allergy, seasonal allergy. So the understanding here is, if you lubricate the passage, nasal passage with oil, then obviously our skin is oiled properly, and then body does not develop the dryness, because once the body develops the dryness to the internal nasal package, the body intelligence starts stimulating mucus, and that's where we get congested and sinus condition, which then also pass to become ear infections and problems. So that is why it is very helpful to lubricate nasal passage, especially the dry weather upcoming fall season, or even in spring, even throughout the winter. It is very helpful to lubricate the nasal passage. In Ayurvedic perspective, it is said as Nasa hi shiraso dwaram, means nasal passage is actually door to the head cavity, and that is why properly lubricating nasal passage with this wonderful uh, oil is helpful to calm the nervous system, to kind of pacify the prana vata, which is the major seat in head cavity. It is helpful to develop memory, it is helpful to develop clarity, it is helpful for relaxation and calming and de-stressing yourself, as well as it is helpful for preventing sinus and allergy condition. Next benefit is also helpful when you use this oil. It actually helps soften your facial joints, and that's why if you have stiffness in jaw, if you have TMJ syndrome, the Nasya oil will help reduce that. And that is why I think I have shared wonderful healing beneficial of Nasya oil. Again, I recommend this to put 2 drops morning and evening in each nostril. If not, at least put on small finger and then do the nasal massage. This is Nasya oil. Namaste.